The Nothing Phone 3A and Nothing Phone 3A Pro are becoming official on March 4th, and earlier today we've seen both of them in an extensive set of leaked renders. While we've heard about a lot of their specs so far, multiple times in some cases, the charging speed for their rumored 5,000 mAh battery has so far remained a mystery. That changes now thanks to the devices getting a TVSD PSB certification in Germany. This reveals the fact that both of them support 50W fast wired charging. Last year, the Phone 2A only went as high as 45W, but the Phone 2A Plus, which launched later on, also had 50W charging support, so this is only a very slight upgrade if you're coming from the 2A and not the 2A Plus. So this year, the company will stop trying to use this minute difference as a marketing factor for its more expensive model. We assume that the periscope telephoto camera in the Nothing Phone 3A Pro will by itself be enough of a difference between the two that Nothing didn't need any superfluous things like a 5W increase in peak charging to make the list seem longer. The Nothing Phone 3A series is switching to Snapdragon, with rumors saying it will be the 7's Gen 3 that's powering both. They will of course run Android 15 from day one, with Nothing's skin on top, and they'll share the main 50MP camera and the 8MP ultra-wide if past rumors are correct. But while the vanilla model will get a plain 2x optical zoom telephoto camera, the Pro will receive the 3x optical zoom periscope.